welcome to my mom's channel. Welcome back to my mom's channel. Hello guys, welcome to my mom's Hello guys, welcome to my mom's channel. And my name is Dee Dee.
Really?
I don't know what to say. Why don't you say since this is your show? I have Ryan toys.
Ryan toys. This is what
We got from Target.
Wait, this is actually what the package looks like before you open it.
Ryan has different shows, and he has Ryan's Family Review, and Ryan's Toys Review.
Right. So basically, Ryan is a kid that made a whole bunch of money off of. I'm sorry. He look. Ryan is very popular on YouTube, and now apparently he has toys. So while we was in Target, Dior seen the Ryan toy and just had to have it. This is what it looks like before you open it, but these savages. This is Nas. Nas is the youngest. He's 2. Dior, how old are you?
I'm 6.
6. He's eating his goldfish. No, Nas, that's not yours. Anyway, the name of this toy is Ryan's pocket watch figure 2-pack.
Okay, and this is the toy Ninja from Ryan, the Ninja Ryan, and this is how all the characters you can collect. Now, okay. As you can see, there's a mystery one over here. As you can see, there's a mystery one over here. And then the other one is over here. I'm just trying to get him out.
So is that supposed to be Ryan? Is that Ryan?
I think that's a new.
So I guess this is, I don't know, it kind of looks like a toy version of Ryan, because they all look alike. Yeah. And then I kind of look at the bangs. Definitely him. All right, anyway. What's that?
It's just a map how you can collect all of them.
So here is all of the Ryan action thingies you can get. Cool.
And then let's open up the mystery. The mystery guy.
Mystery guy.
Mommy, you sound just like Ryan's mom. Okay?
I do?
Oh yeah, I do that look.
All right, Dior needed some help opening the mystery toy.
Open. It looks like we got this kind of Ryan. Give me. What the?
All right, play this one here.
Okay.
What is he?
Let me see from the camera. That is good.
So this is what it looks like. Oh, he's a racer. I think he's a racer. Yeah,
Look.
he's a car racer. Yeah, he's the racer. And it looks like this might be a trophy. Yeah, this says a #1 trophy.
Come on.
So that's cool.
Yeah.
So you get 2 Ryans in one. I think this toy was like $7. $7.99 or something like that at Target.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna play Treasure X. If you guys didn't heard of Treasure X, it's like you get gold and stuff. There's a treasure, and you dig up your body and put the skeleton together.
Yep, that's basically it.
And then there's a block of sand that you run over some water for 30 minutes.
It's not 30 minutes, it's 30 seconds.
30 seconds, whatever.
And so, okay, first, background story. We don't have the package for Treasure X because Dior got Treasure X for Christmas from his grandmother. And it came in, he got the deluxe pack. So it came big pack of little sand blocks. I'll probably do a small little picture and put a picture of what the package. So it was like 3 of these. Once you open that box, this is what you will find. A sandbox.
Okay, now.
Nasir, give it back to him. Also, there is like a black little plate that comes with it, but I think Nas destroyed the plate. So, you know, we got to work with what we got.
We got plates. We got it over the on plate.
Yeah, we got a paper plate, and the whole reason for the plate is that you don't get all dirty and stuff, or get like the surface dirty. What you have to do is
my tools.
Unwrap.
Mommy, my tools.
You unwrap the block of sand. Treasure X was like one of the hottest toys out this year. I thought it was cool. This is the block of sand that comes. It's really hard, so that's why you have to run it under water for 30 seconds so that they can dig. Comes with this, and this helps you figure out what you're looking for on the map that they give you. All right, so Nas just literally ripped our map. Let me see if I can tape it together. Be right back. Basically, what Dior is doing is it wants you to line up the gold coin to reveal the treasure that you might find. All right, so now,
okay, guys.
Not hot water, cold water. All right, so basically we're running the block of sand underwater. Now I'm just running Ryan underwater for 30 seconds. Here. Okay. So now that the sand is wet, if you guys can see, now he's going to use his tools. There's also tools that come along in the package. You have like this tool, that tool. It helps you dig in the sand. So, which one you want?
This one.
All right, here now.
I like golden. You can't really tell everyone. Mommy. I just like golden.
Here, do it, Nas.
I think I found something.
Until let Nas do some.
My turn, Nazi. My turn.
Make a mess all the time.
I found
It's
something.
definitely a messy game. What'd you find?
Guys, I found something. I found the treasure box in the lake. Okay. And I think I found another one. Open the door. I found the lake, guys. Which one do you think we got?
Nas, put it back.
Guys, I found something. I found the treasure box.
Okay, so this is the treasure box. We'll talk about what that does later. Sword. Then basically you can see by like the weapons or the feet or the body parts which one you are going to build. Which one you got. Oh look, Nas got something. What you got, Nas? Let Nas take that out. Get it, Nas. Get the head. I think Nas got the head.
I think, yeah, that's the head. Come on, Nazi, let's stick it out together. Yeah, take it. I think we got.
This is the body.
Mommy, it's not on the back, Mommy. Which one we got? I think we got the king. We got the king. We got the king.
How do you know we got the king?
It got the crown, guys.
Oh, we got the king.
The rest.
Is that it? Is that all the parts? You got both feet?
No, do we got an arm?
Nope, no arm.
I got an arm.
One arm. everybody.
I
think we got everything.
I think we have to find the other one.
We got the head, arms, legs, not cheating. Yeah, I think that's it, D. D is going to go wash these parts off. Here you go, D. So this is the king with his treasure. All right, so Dior is gonna open this. I'm just taking off the wrapper.
Help me.
So it's like tightly wrapped in here. This is a tricky part because we tried to get this right 3 times before, and we just for some reason cannot make go. It's totally our fault. We're really impatient.
It's not even our fault.
Whose fault?
My fault.
No, you trying to say it was my fault. Alright, so him and his dad did this before and they were able to make gold, but for some reason the 2 times that I tried to make gold with him, it just wouldn't work. So basically, when you open this, what you will find is orange sand looking stuff like that. Also, you're going to find a little note. This means to run it underwater, because this has a check, until it fizzes. Don't use the tools. Right, thanks. Basically, you have to wait. No, Nas. You have to wait until this thing fizzes up. Like it starts to bubble and stuff.
We're back and it stopped sizzling. We had to let it cook for a little bit. And now we're back. Okay, I'm just pouring it out. Here we go.
Gold piece.
Is it a gold piece?
What's running up? Yeah.
So what we realized, guys, is we thought we were doing it wrong when we wasn't coming out with any of these gold pieces in the treasure. But these are the ultra rare gold dipped treasure. So if we come out with any of these, sometimes it's crystal, bronze, silver, whatever, it's still right. Totally thought we were doing it wrong. So Dior, you kind of owe me an apology for saying I was doing it wrong.
Yeah.
Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. It looks like we got one of the rare items. And this
is the cup. The golden cup.
You saying we lit?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. So that is basically it, guys. You collect them all. Oh, you know what? Before we go, let's see if this glows in the dark.
Yeah.
Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. I don't think he glows. It's dark right here. No, definitely.
Mommy, because it's late.
But it would have glowed a little bit. Look, it don't glow. It don't glow. Look.
We have to put in some darkness.
All right.
We have to put in more darkness.
All right, let's come over here. This is totally dark. It's not glowing. It's not glowing.
Mommy, you know there's somebody standing right there.
Boom! So yeah, it doesn't glow. I thought it glowed. It doesn't glow. But
I like the toy.
Why do you like the toy?
Because we got to stores and I really like swords. And I
Do you like digging
crowns.
for it?
No, not really.
Alright, that's it.
This is the glow in the dark one. Everything we get.
Night, people.
Peace.
Will any of your kids still respect you? Give me a second.